Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Divine Designs by Dee Dee. I have a DIY that I'm going to do. It's going to be a hanging sign. And I have these plaques here. And I believe I got these from, I forgot the name of the store. It's an online store. Um, it's like a Dollar Tree, but it's an online store. I forgot the name of it. It's a dollar store, but it's not Dollar Tree, but it's like a Dollar Tree. But I got these plaques from there a while ago, and I didn't know what I was going to do with them. So I've been watching videos and came up with my own version of this right here. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. But first I'm going to paint these. I already printed off my decals on my Cricut machine. And I have this wire ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's red. So I'm going to go ahead on and paint these with my linen paint. And I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me paint these. So when I paint these, when I finish painting these, I am going to come back and you guys will see what I'm going to do with them. So you guys stay tuned. It's going to put, I don't know if it's going to take 2 coats. It may take 2 coats. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead on and paint these up real quick. And I'll be back. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. Now that everything has dried, and I went on and I put a rim around my border here, around the wood frames. And then I went to the back and I put this ribbon on here. I glued the ribbon on there. And then I put these little sticks right here to make it a little sturdier. Okay? So that's what I did to that. So now what I want to do is I have these ribbons. Sorry. I have this ribbon here that I got, like I said, I got from the Dollar Tree. And I want to glue these ribbons down on the ends right here. But first I want to make sure that I do my little points right there. So see, I want to make sure I have those little points. And then I want to glue these down on here like this to make it look like a ribbon. So I believe I'm going to hot glue them. And I'm going to try to just put the hot glue on the ends here so you can't see it all on the ribbon. So I want to just take the glue and just put it along the edge there. And try to glue it down like that. So let's see how that's going to work. And I'm going to stick it right in the middle. Okay, and I think that'll be okay. I need to get all the glue strings off of there. But I think that'll work perfect. Okay. So that's how that works. Now let's do another one. Make sure I fold down the sides here. And then I'm going to take these and put these together. And cut that. And I'm going to do the same to this one. And then I'm going to cut that. Here we go. So let's do this one here. Okay. Uh-oh, I got my hand in that one. I'm just really eyeballing this. That's all I'm doing. I want to make sure I get all this glue off here because I just got that too close to the ribbon. So I'm going to scrape that glue off. If I don't mess up my paint, which I know I probably will. I'm going to go ahead on and glue these ends down to the back here. Because I don't want them coming up either. Okay. Okay, so let me do this top one here. And that's how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to put this one right here. Take this one. I'm going to put this one right here. So let me cut these edges. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. So now what I'm going to do is, this is the top. Turn it back over this way. Get that glue off there. Then I have my decals here. So what they say, what it says is, Christmas is all about Jesus. So now I'm going to finish weeding these out so that I can iron these on. And this felt here is, this ribbon is 100% polyester. So I'm going to iron these on, but I'm not going to iron them on camera. because I'm going to have to go on the other side of my room where my heat, my little heating press is at. And I'm going to put them on over there. And then once I put them on, I'll be back. So Jesus goes right here. Get this glue off here. So I'm going to iron that one there. And this one here. And it says it's all about, take my A's out of here. Oops, lifting up my A. And that's this one. And then I have my Christmas here. So you guys stay tuned.